Are you tired of running shoes that just don't provide the comfort and support you need? Here are the 5 best Under Armour running shoes I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Lockdown 7 Basketball Shoe. The Under Armour Lockdown 7 basketball shoe caught my attention right away with its sleek design and solid price of just $63.35. If you want a shoe that combines style with performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The breathable mesh upper means your feet can stay cool even during those intense runs. The EVA midsole provides a lightweight and responsive ride, which is crucial when you're pounding the pavement. Plus, the durable rubber outsole with its herringbone traction pattern gives you excellent control, so you won't slip while you're out there. With over 100 units sold just in the past month, this shoe is clearly gaining traction among runners. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit narrow. Here's the thing though, if you have wider feet, you might notice some discomfort. But if you have average width feet, this shoe should fit like a glove. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable shoe that can handle both casual runs and gym workouts. Skip this one if you have wider feet or are looking for a high cushion shoe. At this price, it's a great value for your money. Now, if that narrow fit bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more accommodating design. Product number 2, Charge Gemini 2020. Next up is the men's Charge Gemini 2020 running shoes priced at $96.97. If you're after supreme comfort and support during your runs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The lightweight spacer mesh upper ensures your feet breathe well, which is crucial on those long runs. The external heel counter locks your foot in place, providing extra support where you need it most. It adds comfort and support, helping you focus on your pace rather than your feet. Plus, the charged cushioning midsole uses compression-molded foam to deliver responsiveness and durability, so you won't feel like you're running on heavy bricks. With no reviews yet, it's a fresh option, but the features are promising. Now, some people mention that the sizing runs slightly small. Here's the thing though, if you order a half size up, you'll be just fine. This isn't a deal breaker if you take that into account. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and want a shoe that feels light underfoot. Skip this one if you need a very wide fit or prefer a firmer feel. For the price, you're getting excellent cushioning. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit sportier. Product number 3, UA HOVR Mega 2 MVMNT. Coming in at $103.64, we have the men's UA HOVR Mega 2 MVMNT athletic shoes. If you're looking for a running shoe that also offers excellent energy return, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The breathable upper has synthetic overlays for extra support where you need it, which is perfect for those quick movements and sprints. The molded tongue hugs your foot snugly, giving that almost custom fit. Then there's the responsive UA HOVR cushioning. This technology reduces impact and returns energy, helping propel you forward, which is essential for keeping up your pace. The full rubber outsole ensures elevated traction, so you can tackle any surface without worrying about slipping. Now, I did find some complaints about the price being a bit high. Here's the thing though, the technology and comfort you get here are hard to match, making it worth the investment for serious runners. This is perfect for you if you're passionate about your run and want that extra boost. Skip this one if you're just starting out or looking for something more budget-friendly. It's a great investment for regular runners. Now, if the price tag of the HOVR Mega bothered you, the next shoe is a fantastic budget-friendly alternative. Product number 4, Edge Leather. For just $54.30, the men's Edge Leather offers a great entry-level running shoe option. If you want something reliable without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The leather upper adds durability, which is great if you plan to use these shoes regularly. While it may not have the breathability of mesh, it's tough enough to withstand daily wear and tear. The cushioning is decent for casual runs, making it a solid choice for those who don't need high-end features or advanced tech. With no recent reviews, this is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Now, some users pointed out that the lack of advanced cushioning might not be enough for long-distance runners. Here's the thing though, if you're just jogging or running a few miles, it should serve you well without any issues. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need a reliable shoe for casual runs. Skip this one if you're a serious runner looking for high-tech features. It's a solid value for the money. Now, if you're looking for something with more advanced cushioning, the final product on our list has just that. Product number 5, HOVR Turbulence 2. Last but not least, we have the men's HOVR Turbulence 2 running shoe priced at $90.37. If you want a shoe that combines comfort with advanced tech, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The HOVR cushioning system provides a weightless feel, reducing impact and offering energy return, which is perfect for longer runs. The durable rubber outsole ensures you get great traction on various surfaces. With 0 reviews yet, it's a fresh release, but the features suggest it's going to be a favorite. Now, some people have raised concerns about the sizing running a bit small. Here's the thing though, ordering a size up should alleviate any discomfort. It's a minor adjustment for a shoe that brings so much to your running experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, tech-driven option for your runs. Skip this one if you're on a tighter budget or need a solid, heavier shoe. For the features, it's a solid price point. So to wrap it all up, here's a quick comparison of these 5 shoes. The Lockdown 7 is great for budget-conscious buyers. The Charged Gemini excels in comfort. The UA HOVR Mega 2 is perfect for energy return. The Edge Leather is dependable and affordable. And the HOVR Turbulence 2 brings advanced tech into the mix. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the UA HOVR Mega 2 because it balances comfort and performance beautifully. As for one to avoid, I'd say to steer clear of the Edge Leather if you're serious about running. It just lacks the cushioning you might need. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.